Let me just kind of like show you what all you get in this package here. So number one, it looks like you get a little bag for putting everything in, which I will put everything in. Oh, how cool is that? You get a set of gloves. These are these slider pads. I've seen these before. This is like furniture type slider pads. It's felt on that side, pill and stick on that side. I don't know what that's for. Here's the actual Dolly systems themselves, just like that. You see all the casters. Look how nice those casters are. That's solid, everybody. They have little locking wheels on them. One right there. And it looks like you get, how many? 4 of these. This right here, oh, this is for lifting something up to get it on there. You see that? This will go in there like that. And that's kind of like a pry bar for lifting, say, like a refrigerator or something like that up. And then you get these little brackets here. So what you're going to do is take these slip pads, pill and stick those on there. And these are called rise blocks. So what that is, like I would use this little tool right here that I think can probably go about 3,000 pounds on the wedge, the way you kind of have leverage on it. Lift that up, stick that under there, and then you'd be able to get your like rollers under there, and then you can roll it around. So what I'm going to do is put one of each one of these under the legs. There's one on that side. We got one on this side, and I put the felt on there. So let's go around to this side, and the last one will go right here. So check this out. This table is heavy too. Now I can move this table, so I need to clean up under it. Look, hey, there's some shoes. Here's some cat toys. Let's move all this stuff, and I can move this around. Look at that, everybody. I would say this table probably weighs 150, 200 pounds, and look at that, pinky finger. I'm moving it around. It does have locking mechanism there. Very nice system. I think this would be a great system for anyone that just wants to do a lot of moving, or if you're planning to move in and you just want to kind of like do a lot of it yourself, picking up, or any type of movers out there that you might want to get this as a gift. But yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the 5-wheel moving system. See you all in the next video.